Good morning from Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. And I do mean morning. Got in at 2 o'clock and planned to sleep in a little, but at 6, my Disney-loving brain decided it was time to get up. So, had some coffee. Now I'm walking around. Let's go check this place out. It's amazing, especially this time of morning. We stayed in room 5201, which features a king-size bed and is located on the corner of Building 5 near the main building. Our balcony overlooked this little courtyard, which is close to the main pool and the adult hot tub area. I'm a firm believer that nothing good happens before coffee, so I headed down to grab some breakfast before walking around. The food court features eggs, pancakes, waffles, oats, pretty much your standard breakfast fare. There's also a bakery and some grab-and-go items. I wound up getting some bacon and some hash browns and a big old cup of coffee. Things were pretty slow and quiet this morning, so I settled in to recharge my batteries, and then it was time to head out, do the thing proper. When you walk in the resort, you'll be in this atrium. On one side, you'll find the registration, the arcade, and the gift shop. On the other, you'll find the food court and the Scat Cat Lounge. Across from the entrance are the doors to the main resort area. The lobby is large and bright. It has multiple stations to check in, and it also has concierge services. At the end of the lobby, you'll find the Jackson Square gift shop. Inside the shop, you'll find everything you need: clothing, gifts, toys, magic bands, home goods, resort-specific merchandise, kitchenware, candy, jewelry, swimwear, sunscreen, footwear, towels, and more. Right next to the gift shop, you'll find the South Quarter Games. This arcade features a dozen different machines, where you're sure to find one you'll love. You can purchase a game card at the kiosk inside the arcade. We're back in the atrium. To the right, the doors will take you out to the main resort area, which includes all of the rooms, the pool, the boat dock, playground, and waterfront. Across the atrium from the lobby, you will find the entrance to the food court as well as the lounge. The Scat Cat Lounge features music, drinks, and of course the Mickey-shaped beignets. These delectable treats are served warm with your choice of dipping sauce. To the right of the Scat Cats Club Cafe, you'll find the Sassagoula Floatworks food court. It serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, has a large seating area, and features Coke Freestyle machines which work great with the resort's refillable mugs. When you exit the atrium into the main resort, you step into this little courtyard. There's seating on each side. There's also exterior entrances to the gift shop on the left, as well as to the food court. There are actually two entrances to the food court. The first one is under this sign, and the second one is down at the opposite end of the building. That's the entrance I went in this morning, and over here to the right is our room, 5201. Across the courtyard is the hot tub area, and then in the back is the main pool. All across the property are these huge lawns. This one's between Building 5 and Building 6. Earlier this morning, there were several families out walking and playing with the dogs and just having a great time. Along the riverfront, you'll find the boat dock. You can catch a boat to two different destinations. You can either go to the Port Orleans Riverside Resort, so if you wanted to go see Yeehaw Bob, you could do that. Or you can take the launch that'll drop you off at Disney Springs near the marketplace. The room itself was really nice. It had plenty of room for just the two of us and was a great retreat for the weekend. We had plenty of room for storage and we had plenty of outlets for charging all of our devices, which was great because we had phones, external battery chargers, laptop, gimbal, all sorts of things. There was also a refrigerator that we stocked up with bottled water. There was also a table and chairs, which was nice for eating breakfast the second day. I liked having a double vanity sink, and my wife loved having an actual tub at night and not just a walk-in shower. We have stayed at Riverside before, but this is actually our first time we've ever stayed at French Quarter, and I love it here. It's small, it's compact, and it's beautiful. Rooms are great. I'm enjoying this more than I expected to. I should have stayed here sooner.